Welcome to Horizon Mall. We are here on the bustling main Kashmir highway, right beside the PSO McDonald's and the Aramco petrol pump, where construction is progressing at a steady pace. The structure has now reached the first floor concrete slab, marking a major milestone in the build. The scaffolding and formwork shattering are in the final stages, each prop, beam, and support carefully adjusted to hold the weight of the fresh slab. Tightening bolts, aligning joints, and inspecting every detail for stability. By tomorrow, the focus will shift towards steel reinforcement binding. Bundles of deformed steel bars are already on site, ready to be cut, bent, and tied into position. This reinforcement will serve as the backbone for the next stage, the concrete pour. Once the steel is set, high-grade concrete will be prepared, mixed to the engineer's specifications, and poured evenly across the slab surface. During the pour, the team will work methodically to ensure uniform compaction and leveling, preventing voids and achieving a strong, durable finish. The curing process will then begin, keeping the concrete moist to develop its full strength, all working together to transform this site into a new landmark. Floor by floor, beam by beam, we are building not just a structure, but a lasting symbol of progress on one of Islamabad's busiest highways.